Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to enable Game Booster on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Advanced Features. From here, you will find the option of Game Booster. Just tap on it, and from here, you will be able to enable Game Booster on your Samsung phone. First of all, just tap on Game Optimization, and from here, you can either select Balanced, and in balanced mode, your smartphone will balance the battery consumption with the gaming performance. Or you can select Battery Saver, and in Battery Saver mode, your smartphone will prioritize battery saving over the game performance. And finally, you have the option of Performance mode, and in Performance mode, your smartphone will give you the best performance while you're playing games. After that, you have the option of customization for individual games. Now just tap on it, then select a game which you want to customize. And from here, you can set specific Game Booster settings for this selected game. First of all, you have the option of Game Optimization, and from here, you can select the Game Optimization setting which you like. After that, you have FPS, and from here, you can set a specific FPS while you are playing the selected game. And finally, you have the option of Screen Resolution. And from here, you can customize the screen resolution while you are playing the selected game. And this is how you can enable Game Booster on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.